Another day on the Land Cruiser. If you saw my YouTube short, I installed these bearings, the bearing races. So that goes like that, spins nice and freely. Let's start cleaning the knuckles in my new parts cleaner. So pick that up from Amazon, link in the description below. Pretty affordable price. I'll get a little bit of a kickback if you want to support the channel. Go to Amazon with the link in the description. I might get a couple cents. Real quick, before I say like and subscribe, you know, I'm doing this because I want to inspire people to repair, restore, find the joy in working on stuff from a different era. And, you know, if I can inspire people to get out into the garage and work on something, then I've done a good job with these videos. So, with that said, let's get to work cleaning this nasty thing. And for everybody that called out my crazy lunch lady gloves, I'll be using black nitrile. Also linked for the description below. Let's get to it. In the parts cleaner, I'm using mineral spirits. I picked it from Walmart. Now this is slightly flammable. This is not a heated parts cleaner. I just did a flashpoint test on this. I took a blowtorch to a little capful. It does take a lot to get it going, so I'm feeling okay about the safety, but please be careful when using a parts cleaner with a heating system and mineral spirits because it can result in a fire. And don't forget your safety glasses. Okay, not too bad. Pretty clean on the inside. I'm gonna just do some minor touch-ups and then this will be good to go with the wire brush. Sweet, so pretty clean. I like it. Parts washer did a good job. Just a couple minor details here and there, but it's looking pretty good. And first things first, we've got the bearing here. That's gonna go like that. I don't have any grease right now, so let's get some grease and throw it on. Booked it to the store real quick. Got some grease from Napa. And I also got some duplicolor rust barrier. So let's mask off the knuckle. Give it a shot of paint just to prevent it from rusting any further. And then, while that's drying, we'll start taking apart this wheel. Alright, while that's drying, start here. again. We're once again dealing with this thing that's stuck, and I'm gonna have to figure out how to get this top bracket off and the bottom one, just like last time. So, although to get to this point, significantly ahead of schedule compared to the last time, so not doing too bad. Oh my goodness, this thing put up a fight. Woo! That's honestly it for this video. Next video, I will show you rebuilding the knuckle with the disc brakes. So this is the bracket. That's the freshly painted knuckle right here. I'm gonna put some grease on here. I already put the race in. It was actually part of a YouTube short that I put together, so if you want to check that out, pretty much like and subscribe. The next video will be out sooner than you think, so we'll see you on the next one. Peace.